Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the headset so you can change power settings without interruptions. Put the headset on, confirm battery is above 20%, and wake the device. Once done, use the controller or companion app to open settings, then go to System or Power. This is where sleep mode lives. Make sure you have admin access or unlock developer options if required. You'll need to be in the right menu before making the changes, so don't skip straight to rebooting yet. Now you'll modify the sleep behavior. Find sleep mode, auto sleep, or standby inside power settings and open it. Select never to stop automatic sleep or choose a long timeout if you prefer a safety delay. This prevents unwanted interruptions during sessions. If the headset uses proximity or motion sensors, turn those triggers off as well. This prevents immediate sleep when you shift position. Save or confirm changes, then allow a finish by testing. Launch a VR app and wait 5 to 10 minutes to confirm the headset no longer sleeps. If it still does, reboot the device. Sometimes settings require a restart to apply. Make sure companion apps or enterprise profiles aren't overriding your choice and check permissions for power management. If problems persist, reset power preferences or update firmware and drivers. Doing so often resolves stubborn overrides. As a key tip, temporarily disable any third-party optimizers. They commonly force sleep even after you change settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.